and SEO might not be enough to keep your business in front of people anymore. If you want to stay ahead, you need a new way to grow your email list fast. That's where Snapifier comes in. Snapifier is a super easy tool that helps you create interactive web apps we call snaps without needing any coding skills. These snaps turn your web content and videos into engaging experiences that grab your audience's attention and helps you build a strong email list quickly. The best part? You don't even have to create the new content. With Snapifier, you can use existing content from anywhere on the web and insert it into your snaps. Whether it's videos, articles, or other web content, Snapifier helps you use it in a new way to get more people to sign up for your emails. Snapifier also lets you lock certain content, so people have to sign up to access it. It's a great way to grow your email list and keep people interested in what you offer. Don't worry about the technical stuff. Snapifier makes it easy to customize the colors of your snaps to match your brand, so everything looks professional without any complicated steps. Building your email list and staying in front of your audience has never been easier. With Snapifier, you can turn your online presence into something that not only keeps people engaged, but also helps you make more money. People who use Snapifier are seeing bigger email lists, more engagement, and more revenue. Now it's your turn to stay ahead of the game. Don't let AI search leave you behind. Start creating snaps that will help grow your email list fast and keep your audience's attention. Take action today, boost your growth, make every click count. Snapifier is your key to staying ahead.